This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, move the safety catch release lever to one side and fully open the bonnet. The engine oil filler cap is located on the top of the engine. On most models, the dipstick is located on the front of the engine. On models with no dipstick, the oil level can be checked by turning the ignition on and scrolling through the information display until the oil level is shown. Withdraw the dipstick. Using a clean rag or paper towel, remove all oil from the dipstick. Reinsert the clean dipstick and then withdraw it again. Note the oil level on the end of the dipstick, which should be between the upper max mark and the lower min mark. Approximately 1 litre of oil will raise the level from the lower mark to the upper mark. If topping up is necessary, rotate the filler cap 90 degrees anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct grade of oil to bring the level up to the max mark on the dipstick. Do not overfill. With the level correct, reinsert the dipstick and refit the filler cap. The coolant expansion tank and filler cap is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. The coolant level varies with the temperature of the engine. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be between the min and max marks on the side of the tank. When the engine is hot, the level will rise. If topping up is necessary, unscrew the filler cap. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to bring the level to the max mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Rotate the cover in the scuttle panel anti-clockwise a little and remove it. Wipe clean the area around the filler cap, then unscrew it. The maximum and minimum level marks are visible once the cap is removed. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If necessary, add new .4 fluid from a sealed container to bring the level up to the maximum level. Mop up any spilled fluid and securely refit the cap. Refit the cover. The power steering fluid reservoir is located at the front of the engine compartment. In order to accurately check the level, the engine should be cold and switched off, with the wheels in a straight ahead position. Wipe around the filler cap. The fluid level, maximum and minimum level marks are visible on the side of the reservoir. If topping up is necessary, unscrew the filler cap and add the correct fluid as required to bring the level up to the maximum mark. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. The screen wash fluid filler cap is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Pull up the front edge and open the filler cap. Add a mixture of screen wash additive and water. Firmly close the filler cap. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's secure.